I'm going to plant this tomato in this halo. And I just want to show you one thing before I do that. I grow them up these. This is a tomato layering support. The stem, single vine of the tomato grows up this twine. You just wind it round every couple of days. So as you can see, you can just unwind and wind and, you know, tension this to whatever you want it to be. Got a nut in the end. I've chosen this one just for demonstration here. I've removed the cotyledons and the bottom leaves. You see it's got a nice root system. Straight down into it. I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to just backfill it a little bit with whatever compost you have. Hoping that's showing. I'll try and explain. I'm not very good at explaining, but let me just hang this from my top wire. You won't see this until I lift up the camera, but and that's it. I will water this in, of course, just to settle these roots. That's basically it. That's all you have to do. Let me show you the rest of this. So you can see it's going to go up the wire, hopefully, right up to the top. Now the whole principle of this is to layer it. If I was just going to tie that to the top of here, you'd have to stop the tomato virtually here, the vine itself, and therefore it'd only be like 2 meters. I'm going to put in a shot in this video of one I did a couple of years ago, and it ended up over 4.5 meters long or something. And basically all you have to do is when it reaches the top, your bottom leaves and the bottom trusses have already been taken off. So that means that you can move it, slide it along, and the stem of the vine, once you've loosened all that off, the stem of the vine goes up the to the side there, and then I can move this up along. And the same all the way along. It gets a bit dodgy at the end because you've got to sort of cross them over, but it does work. And as I say, you can just keep it growing all the season. Anyway, that's the way I do my tomatoes. Now to water them. With the pan lid I put on the leeks, it's done its job. Coming through now. I'm going to leave this pan lid off now because it'll be too hot, otherwise it's red hot in here. It's about 30 degrees already and it's not even midday yet. Okay, just potted on some of those poppies. Not sure where they're going to go.